Let's go ahead and define a text collection in Flow. We are selecting the type variable and entering our variable name, which I'm going to give the name names. And for the data type, I'm selecting text and then click on allow multiple values. And this is how we define a text type collection in Flow. In Apex, the equivalent of the collections are lists, and to define them, we need to first use the keyword list, and then we need to tell Apex what's the type of this list and what's its name, and then we need to initialize our list to say that this is an empty list now. After creating our list, in Flow, we do not have default values for lists, so we need to use the assignment logic in here. Let's add values to our list. In the variable, I'm going to select my collection variable, and in the operator, instead of equals, I'm going to use add. And in here, let's say first as the first value, and let's add another name, and in here let's go ahead and call this second. Now to do the exact same operation in Apex, we also have an operator, so to speak, called add, and to access it I need to say my variable name, which was names, dot add, and now between single quotes I can add my first value. And to add the second value, I'm using the same format, only my value is different. Now we've seen how to create a list of string and add values to it. Let's do the same for numbers. I'm going to select the type variables and name it numbers. For the data type, I'm going to select the number with the decimal places being 0, and I will say allow multiple values. Let's define the same list in Apex and say this is the new list of integers, and we can add numbers as we did with the list, except we are not using the single quotes this time. And I went ahead and add two numbers to the list, being 2 and 5. Now we can add values in Flow to the same collection with the add operator. First, we are giving the value of 2, and then we are giving the value of 5. In here, we saw how to define and add values to the collection variables in both Flows and Apex.